Welcome to Amboy, California, along the historic Route 66. I'm out here for the weekend on a little RV camping trip with Shannon and Cali and getting in a nice little trail ride along the way. Alright, here's the trail I was looking for. I went about 4 miles down that way and realized I needed to make this right turn right away. This looks real rocky. Let's see what this is going to be like. I don't mind sections like that of heavy rocks where it's real technical, but it gets old because you just can't really, cruise along and you're just going so slow. My bike feels a little weird too because I bent the handlebars recently and I haven't replaced them yet. Woo! Alright, so now I gotta figure out what I want to do here. It's just not that fun to ride this. This is a really interesting area out here along near Amboy, specifically Amboy Crater, which is kind of where we are camping tonight. Amboy Crater is an actual volcano that erupted. It's a fun spot to camp, and if you ever come here, it's definitely a great place to visit. Like a lot of attractions in the Mojave Desert, there's a lot of lore around Amboy Crater. Talk of Charles Manson hanging out there, and there's been upwards of 5 dead bodies found around Amboy Crater, and a rumor is that one was found without a head. Now, I can't really substantiate all of those rumors, but there was a story just a couple of years ago of 2 hikers, an older couple, that walked from the parking area to the crater, which is about a mile and a half hike, and then it's another mile or so around the crater and through the crater, and then you're a mile and a half back. And apparently they did it in unfavorable weather conditions, and they did both succumb to the heat and pass away. Now, one unique, interesting mystery here that we found is in the parking area. When we first pulled up at a visit previous, that turned out to be something painted. And the more I looked at it from the ground, it looked to have some structure to it. So I flew the drone over it to see if at height you could actually read something that was written. And it looks like you can. The first word to me looks like burning, but I can't quite figure out the second word. So if you know what that says, and if by any chance you have any idea of why it's there, or who put it there, or is it a band, or who knows what, the first person to comment below the video with what that says there, I'll send you a t-shirt from my company, Ride Beyond Boundaries. What a gorgeous night. Man, it's so great to just get out here like this on the bike. Go back and have a great evening at the RV with Shannon and Cali Waggers. Have some wine. It's just gorgeous out here. All right, let's head back to camp. Thanks so much for joining me on this little camping RV Moto adventure. It was really beautiful. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you again.